Wala kaseng Congress katron mentah karibro kuway kumjuru ha kejala Meghalaya uhe ke AICC badai pej kejala Meghalaya umanis chatrat udan ke jingit scam baka Congress kan sawan biang ha kabor ha ke election kaban wan house name arja arpulai.
We have to organize ourselves and fight elections in a democratic manner, which Congress party is known for. And our target, our aim will be to form the government with the majority. That's it.
We are looking at a single largest.
No, why no single largest? Our aim will not be single largest. Our aim will be crossing two-third majority.
Habai krem kla pathai khubor halor ke jingweng no u MPCC President Bamintau Dr. Celestine Lingdo u chatrat uloong ba ampadon ke jekren AA ru halor kani.
As far as I am concerned, he has not discussed with me on this issue, neither he has given any letter in this regard to me.
Uniu he ke AICC ula thalain ting eru ye ke sarkar MDA hapo ke jelam je ke seng NPP halor ke jing shalan BI yu doyong bar ke jingbam yo kam yo jam ki samla ha ke jela.
You see the jobs. How many jobs are lying vacant? How many people have been given the jobs? There are so many issues. Illegal coal mining. So there are a lot of issues which they had promised when they came to power, and it has not been fulfilled. So it is for the people to decide. It is for the people to decide, and people will decide through elections only. And we are quite confident. We are quite confident the state is waiting for a change.